this video, we will learn about the paragraph formatting and related tag. So let's start with the DIV element. DIV tag is a block element. Simply define a block of content in the page. First of all, let's create a folder. Say HTML practice. Next, open a notepad and start writing the HTML code. First the HTML, then /HTML. Let's save the file first. So within the desktop, here is the HTML practice folder, and within this, the HTML file name is paragraph.html. So look, here the paragraph file has been created. This HTML file has been created. Let's open this paragraph HTML page with any browser. Initially, nothing is inside this page. So let's continue our code. Within HTML, there is a head tag, and within head there will be a title tag, and the title say paragraph demo /title. And within the body tag, let's create a div element, say div, and within /div, since div is a container tag, so it has a starting and an ending tag. Now within div, let's write have a nice day. Now if I refresh the web page, so you will see have a nice day. You will not get any special effect for this div element. It is just a block of code. This div tag is used to hold another element, or rather a paragraph. The div tag is used to define a section or a division in the HTML document. The align attribute set the alignment of the content of the div tag. It has 4 values: left, which is default, center, right, and justify. Let me show you one by one. Now if I write div space align, since align is an attribute, so I have to write within this angular bracket align equal to, say I am writing left. By default it is already in the left alignment. Save the file and refresh the file. Notice that there is no difference. Now if I make it right, look what happened. Have a nice day will move to the right hand side of the screen. Now if I write center over here, then the sentence will come at the center position of the screen. And for justify, you have to write more than 2-3 lines, otherwise you will not get the effect. Next, paragraph element, that is the p tag. P tag is used to start a new paragraph, and it has 3 alignment: left, right, and center. Look, I'm writing p in place of div, and this is /p. This is the ending tag of the paragraph. Within p/p, the same line is written have a nice day. Look what happened. So it's a paragraph. We can start multiple paragraph over here. If I write p, then HTML means hypertext markup language /p. So look at the output. So HTML means hypertext markup language. This line is in a new paragraph. So have a nice day and this line are in 2 different paragraphs. A space is maintained in between 2 paragraphs. For that, we do not have to use any line break. For a new paragraph, it always starts from a new line. Now this p tag has alignment attributes. So this align equal to, the value for align is, say left. This is default. For the left alignment, we do not get any effect. By default, all text are aligned left. Now if I write RIGHT in place of left, the line has been shifted at the right hand side of the screen. Now if I write center, the line will come at the center position. You can also use justify apart from left, right, and center. Next, heading tag. H1 to H6. These tags are used to insert or place a heading before a text or a paragraph. So this H represent the heading, and it has value 1 to 6. That means H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So there are 6 heading tag available in HTML. Among these, H1 tag is used to provide the most important and bigger heading, and H6 tag is the least important one and used to give smaller heading. Let me show you an example. Look, I'm deleting this first paragraph, and in place I'm writing H1, and within this I'm writing heading 1 /H1. In the same way, I've written H2 heading tag, and within this I have written heading 2. Then H3 heading 3, H4 heading 4, H5 heading 5, H6 heading 6. All these are the container tags, so there is an beginning and an ending tag for every heading tag. Now let's run this HTML code. So heading 1 is the bigger one and heading 6 is the smaller one. So according to your requirement, you can use any one of them. The last one is a center tag. Center tag is used in order to place a text or an image in HTML web page at the center or in the middle. The tag requires a closing tag. Example, within center/center, if you write anything, that will be placed in the middle of the screen. Look, for div and paragraph tag, we can use align attribute, and if I write center, the content will move to the center of the screen. But what will happen if we want to make the content to place in the center position which are not within any paragraph or div element? And for that we have to write center/center. All the lines which are within center/center, that will be placed at the middle of the screen. Look, heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be moved to the center of the screen because all these lines are written within center/center. So this is all for this video. Still, if you have any problem, write it down in the comment box. I will try to reply you back as soon as possible. Thank you.